static heat.
Wichita Tower, Cessna Test 718, left base 100 left.
Cessna 718, Wichita, good afternoon. Runway 100 left, clear to land, wind calm.
100 left, clear to land, Cessna Test 718.
From the Citation, wind calm. Runway 100 left from Alpha 2, fly heading 140, clear for takeoff.
Hey, cleared to go on 19 left and 140 on the heading after takeoff. Julie Bravo.
Citation Hotel Romeo Echo, contact departure, good day.
Contact departure. Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, good day. Radar, Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, hello. Climbing 5,000 feet, passing 3,600.
Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, Wichita departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 15,000.
Climb and maintain 15,000, Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo.
Able 07, contact McConnell Tower.
Switcher McConnell, Able 07.
15,000.
Citation Hotel Romeo Echo, turn left, heading 090, vector for the climb.
Delta Charlie Hotel Romeo Echo, turn left, heading 090,
Nine Juliet Bravo is on a 140 heading, climb at a 3.
It is 89 Juliet Bravo, Wichita departure, radar contact. It is 9 Juliet Bravo, and turn left heading 040, vectors around traffic.
040 Juliet Bravo.
Citation Hotel Romeo Echo, turn left heading 030, join J26 on course.